2027 Lexus LX570 WALD Black Bison Platinum Edition. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most stunning luxury SUVs ever created, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why car enthusiasts around the world are obsessed with this machine. The 2027 Lexus LX570 has always been known for combining luxury, comfort, and reliability. But once the legendary WALD Black Bison body kit is added, this SUV transforms into something completely different. The aggressive front bumper, bold grille design, muscular side skirts, and wide body styling give it an appearance that commands attention from every angle. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning white exterior finish. This clean and elegant color perfectly highlights every curve and detail of the WALD body kit. The SUV looks sophisticated during the day and absolutely breathtaking under showroom lights at night. Adding even more presence are the matte white forged rims, which create a unique luxury look rarely seen on large SUVs. Together, the white body and matte white wheels give this Lexus an unforgettable road presence. Moving to the front, the redesigned fascia creates an aggressive and sporty appearance. The sharp lines, large air intakes, and premium LED lighting make the LX570 look more like a high-performance luxury machine than a traditional SUV. Every detail has been carefully designed to enhance both style and exclusivity. From the side profile, the WALD Black Bison package truly shines. The wide body design makes the vehicle appear larger, lower, and more planted on the road. The extended fenders, sculpted side skirts, and massive wheels create a perfect balance between elegance and aggression. Even when parked, this SUV looks fast and powerful. At the rear, the transformation continues. A custom rear bumper, integrated diffuser, and stylish roof spoiler complete the premium appearance. The rear design is bold without being excessive, giving the LX570